Himay.
Nasaan yung 5 candidates na precious? I think we're about to announce the results. We are, right? Sige, so, sige. Nasaan yung candidates for president? President Chandler. Oh. Nasaan yung si Ellie? And si Da. Kapag pala daw dito disqualify, so what's gonna happen now is, i-announce na yung 15 ay 14 American yung freshman in a while. Tinatake pa yung votes. Ang daming votes eh. Nahirapan sa tali. What's your name? Chris, do you have a question for that? Kamusta kayo na? In one word, describe yourself. Sino daw yung next Russian? Oy, Bob! Sino? Honey. Yes, we have here Mr. President Francis to announce the result. Hi, Chris! Close fight now. Ang super kinang vote difference. Mga 2.5 votes na yung difference. Ay, nako. Okay, I know you guys are.
Yes, I am.
Alright, so hi, Kevin, Harlan, Chris. Let me just say that the elections are super close. As in, no joke, it's sobrang close. The top three people who won their votes were separated by less than two things. There were 3 invalid votes. They were tested in database. They were actually second people who voted. And there were 3 people who voted abstain. Alright, sino president dito? Alright, do you want me to proclaim the winner muna or the winner of the Sige. And wait, first of all, I'd like to congratulate these 3 guys, the staff and Ellie, who are not here, for actually willing to take the challenge of being an executive board member for so long in Agony. So, can I just ask everyone to stand and give a round of applause? Again, guys, another round of applause for these 3 people here. You guys are all part of the family. The 3 of you, I hope that we will see you no matter what happens. And may the best man or woman win. That being said, with a total of 33 votes, 34 votes, our first year rep is, let's give him a round of applause, Kevin Season. Congratulations. Those 5, the really of those 5. The next, I don't know the exact number, but the next The second person was Chris Nuevo. And super tight sila ni Ellie Candana. Alright, so thank you, Chris. Thank you, Carl. And welcome to the meeting. So guys, Chris, thank you so much. It was right. Thank you, Carl. Thank you so much. Guys, hopefully, want to say anything to the people who voted for him?
To those who voted for me, I tried my best to university students of the academics. Let's make our first year fun and memorable. Go academics!
Good job, Kevin. Now guys, this guy will be representing the freshman batch. So all the concerns, all you need will be addressed to him. Address your needs to him. Good job, Kevin, and thank you so much as well for magandang training. So with that, let's now announce the winner of the acoustic night. Ano prize nila lang? Prize nila by Shane, courtesy of the Corel Forward. Our second place is Art and Nico. Art, Nico, are you here? Art. Art and Nico, congratulations guys. Very talented. Ako nag-introduce nila. Art, ito yung, ako nakulit si Corel. Thank you guys to follow the shades nyo. Okay? So congratulations. Promote daw. Ano sa niyo? Thank you.
Thank you. Tanya,
Alright, on the acoustic night of Standby Week to be given 3 slots to be given by Shane are the chamber of Bella, Patrick, and Brian. So are those 3 boys here? Bella's here, Brian here. Hindi ba sino ito? Sino ito naman? Where's your friend?
Tara.
Who's friend is that? Right. Thank you guys. So congratulations natin. What do you want to say? Sino ang talent mo sa pagkat guys na to nag-audition siya? Nakuha niya ang ID box at party box. Kasi pinapag ko audition. So, good luck po. That's what you need to let people. So, alright, good job guys.